Profile minis, laced to G-Sport, fit shoes, premium deck trip, premium altitude, Colt V2 leader, Colt D-Hut seat, profile cranks, nice pedals, Madeira sprocket, back wheel.
Yeah, no, throw it.
It stabbed me!
Oh, sorry, your bike.
Alright, we're done. Is that a mouth? Oh! Oh my god! Oh! Can we take a break?
Joey, alright.
Let's take a break.
I gotta check my baby.
Oh my god.
You alright?
I landed off the middle of the bank onto my shoulder.
Yeah, fool.
See? Just kidding, I don't know if that's it. Oh! Bad idea. See how slippery my shoe? Why don't you make an edit tonight? Fuck it. Yo, so we riding these legends. We on a bicycle here. We're fucking riding. Oh shit.
Nigga.
He lives here. Oh shit. Let's go.
Let's put this shit.
Alright, who cares? I don't like that thing in the way.